His Excellency the President and First Secretary of ZANU-PF, Comrade Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, has conferred national hero status to late Brigadier General retired Comrade Tshuma Mudenda said. Zarapina mashuko budanyo kwa pangwa ine achonokonsi the ruling party ZANU-PF yozoya ichimenjena the cause of the death wa Brigadier General Tshuma. Was subscribe or like on the bell and continue now. The announcement of his hero status was made by ZANU-PF Chief Executive and Speaker of Parliament Jogo Mudenda, who said President Emmerson Mnangagwa had approved the honor in recognition of Chuma's role in the liberation struggle in his service in the Zimbabwe National Army. He added that burial arrangements of the National Heroes Acre would be announced in due course, while the government would facilitate funeral assistance and benefits for the family. Tshuma, whose Chimurenga name was Henry Selundi, is survived by 4 children. Zimbabwe National Army Commander Lieutenant General Asha PANE on Wednesday led a funeral parade at Imbizo Barracks in Bulawayo, describing the late Brigadier General as a disciplined liberation fighter who remained loyal to the country throughout his military career. PANE and Tshuma became involved in nationalist politics through the ZAPU Youth League in Ngwavalanda, before escaping Rhodesian security forces and joining Zebra fighters in Zambia during the Liberation War. He received military training at Mwembeshi camp and later trained in former Soviet Union as a platoon commander before joining the Zimbabwe National Army after independence in 1980. His death comes amid a growing list of senior military commanders and Liberation War veterans who have died since the November 2017 military intervention that removed former President Robert Mugabe from power. Among the prominent military figures who have died in the recent years are former Foreign Affairs Minister and retired Lieutenant General Sibusiso Moyo, retired Air Marshal Perence Shiri, retired Major General Paradzai Zimondi, and the retired Lieutenant General Douglas Nyakayaramba. The continued deaths of senior Liberation War commanders have increasingly drawn attention to the aging generation of military and political figures who played key roles in Zimbabwe's independence struggle and post-independence state institutions. Toma developments are pangwa ino. Inakomesa section mendu za fungira enyi motu kulipa msilo bechitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.